Hi, in today's 2-minute tip, I'll show you how you can heat up compost without having to turn the pile.
I built this pile about a week ago using leaves, used coffee grounds, and garden waste. So far it's heated up to a little over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Ordinarily I wouldn't be concerned, but it's November and getting very cold, and I want this compost to be ready by spring. So I'd like to get it cooking as soon as possible, with the temperature at the center between 120 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Typically, when a pile doesn't heat up to this range, it's because of one of the following factors. The pile is too small, there isn't enough air in the pile, there isn't enough nitrogen, or the compost is too wet or too dry. In this case, the pile is 3 feet tall and about 3 feet wide, which is large enough. But the compost isn't as wet as a wrung-out sponge, so it could use some more water. I also think some additional nitrogen would help, and more air is always good. Of course I could turn the pile while adding more water and nitrogenous ingredients, but that would be a lot of work. So instead I'll just take this piece of rebar and, starting at the center, drive holes into the pile. This introduces air into the compost. Then, to add more nitrogen, I place some used coffee grounds in the hole and add water to moisten the pile and wash the grounds down into the pile. I could use other green compost ingredients like grass clippings or manure as well. I then repeat this process every foot or so around the circle, about midway between the center and the perimeter. First driving the rebar into the pile, then adding coffee grounds and water. Just a few hours after completing this process, the temperature at the center of the pile had climbed to 117 degrees. And just a couple days later, the thermometer read 142 degrees. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to get your compost cooking, you may want to give this approach a try.
Well, that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching this 2-minute tip.